What's up, YouTube? Hitting y'all up with another video. And man, I've been practicing with these things for the past 2 days, right? I mean, while I'm on the computer, I'm just flipping, man. These things are so fun, man. I'm just flipping, trying to nail the speed down and stuff. But I recently got where you can throw it to the other hand, and I'm starting to get better at that. And I'm gonna show y'all like how cool this is. Watch. Hopefully I nail it good. Sometimes I mess up. See, I just messed up. Trying to keep a rhythm going. See, it slowed down. Try again. See, man, practice makes perfect though, man. That's exactly what I've been doing, is practicing. Okay, this time I will nail it, hopefully. Okay. Okay, maybe I'm not thinking about someone. There we go. See? Pretty fun, man. Peace.